Welcome to our channel, Discord not working properly. Follow these solutions to fix loading issues and audio errors for clear communication. Step 1. Check Discord server status online. Visit discordstatus.com to identify any ongoing service disruptions. Step 2. Clear Discord cache files. Close Discord, press Windows+R, type %app data%, navigate to Discord folder, and delete cache folders. Step 3. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click Discord shortcut and select Run as administrator for elevated permissions. Step 4. Update Discord to latest version. Discord usually auto-updates, but manually check for updates if needed. Step 5. Reset voice settings in Discord. Go to User Settings, Voice and Video, and click Reset Voice Settings. Step 6. Check Windows Audio Settings. Ensure correct input-output devices are selected as default in system settings. Step 7. Disable hardware acceleration. In Discord settings, Advanced, toggle off hardware acceleration option. Step 8. Completely reinstall Discord. Uninstall Discord, delete all remaining folders and app data, then install fresh copy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.